What is it that you said you need?
I need grey water.
What is that?
It's water that's dirty.
Yeah. Water that's dirty.
That what?
Water that's dirty.
Oh, Jesus. Madam Gaibonu. What do you need that water for?
Because we need it for the grass.
For the growth?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Look how small it is.
It's not. That's my size. It's because it's not wenu ukhuluma. I was petted. What's Alana? Oh. Okay, tell me more about that thing. I don't even know what's that.
I don't have more question about that.
Really?
Yeah.
So where should I go and get that water?
I don't know.
But then you should have asked your teacher, because I don't know anything about that. I've never heard of such. I went to Mbali School, so we didn't need all those grey water. The only thing mina ngiyaziyo ukuthi fanele ngiyiphathe is ini lento le ihlabathi solwandle. Is ulento ecalayo?
A dining room.
It's not that. Uyasazi ihlabathi solwandle? Hey, manje ngizothini ngesingisi? Kuzoba isandy, kube usalty, kube amanzi, iwater, yakwi ocean.
With some sheep.
Seashells.
Awukwazi lapho? Which school do you go to?
Hilton People Mary.
I can't hear you, baby.
Hilton People Mary.
Where's that?
I don't know. At Hilton.
Oh, Hilton.
Yeah.
Can you ask if I can also come and school with you guys?
Listen, the grey water is about to save the water, the garden. You know, grey water is awesome. It also brings with the sun.
But I don't know what's in grey water. Ngiyanizo abantu abamithi grey water.
Listen.
Okay, let me tell you.
Okay, tell me, what's that?
You see when you bath,
Yes.
the water gets quite dirty.
All right.
And then it's grey in kind of like color.
Okay.
And then
Dirty water, you mean? Dirty.
And then you drink it. Or you can use like
And then you drink it.
Yes.
No.
No, you have to use. We did this last year. Grade 1. Had to bring like bottles of grey water,
Okay.
and then had to water them up in the gardens because that's what.
Guys. Niyasizwa isingisa ngempela. Hayi lesi singisi senkani lesi oskipper engathi ukhahlelwe ngesithende esifubeni. Izo lezi ingane kuyashiblika. Tell me more.
It's very fun to speak English. You know, you need to speak it some days. If you don't,
What's gonna happen? Okay, what about me that can't speak English? I don't even know how to start when I speak English.
If you don't know how to speak English, come to us.
Are you gonna teach me?
Yeah. We are the learners of English.
Jesus. Yazizwa ingane? Mina angisayixaki bantu abami. Mekhona igama engalazi ngibuya ngizela ngithi bhalani zingane zama. Bhalani bantu abami. Sizana uma.
Learn English. If you don't, you can't come here. The only word that she doesn't know is grey water. The only thing she wanted to know.
Also, it's the only thing that I don't know. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Now I know why we're paying for you guys.
Yes.
I don't even think we need change.
Pay 100.
Sizobanikeza ibhansela niyasixebula isingisi niyangizwa?
Oh, because
Niyasinyisa. Yini et? What yini et?
We live at the bottom of the earth.
Who?
Us.
We live where?
The bottom of the earth.
Really?
Yes, we live at the bottom.
What's ngani uthatha blog?
Class, I saw a picture of the earth and had lab skills today. And then I saw the bottom to the...
Kodwa mntana ukuthi uyasheshisa uthini? Ozala awusondele?
Kufanele wenze njani ku-protect i-earth?
Well, water the gardens.
Oh, i-earth idinga ukuprotectwa ke nayo.
Yeah.
So we need to
And
water?
also keep it away from pollution.
But how do you keep it away from pollution?
You pick it up.
How?
Wow.
You don't know how to pick up stuff.
Oh, just pick it up.
Yeah, you pick it up and throw it in the dustbin.
Oh,
Don't
that's...
just dump it in the ground.
I get you. Then you just pick it up, it. You just pick it up, it. No. Oh.
And so we will have lots of things. We will also have flowers,
Jesus.
carrots, and everything.
and carrots and everything. Okay.
That houses and kitchens, the bedrooms, the beds and everything. And so we will learn how to protect the earth.
Jesus.
This is how you protect the earth. By
Shwele smagata kube niyabezwa. Oh Lord. Cheers guys.
it'll take a little bit of water, sunshine.
Bye.
You'll have to some water.
Finish.